Hi, I'm Valerie Matei with Rise Homes, and I work with homeowners all across the San Francisco Peninsula, from San Francisco to Portola Valley and all over the Bay Area, helping people prepare and market and sell their homes for top dollar. Over the years, Rise Homes has seen how small, thoughtful updates can make a huge impact on buyer perception, especially when it comes to curb appeal. That's why we wanted to share some of the most effective, budget-friendly landscaping hacks we use when our sellers here in the Bay Area want to sell their homes and make them shine for the very first showing. If you're getting ready to sell your home here in the Bay Area, you already know that first impressions matter, and nothing makes a stronger first impression than your landscaping. The great thing is you don't need a huge budget to make it happen. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 budget-friendly landscaping hacks that we've seen make a big impact for our sellers all across Northern California, but especially here in the Bay Area. So number 1, refresh your mulch or ground cover. This one is so simple, but so effective. We had a listing in Burlingame last October, and the sellers spent very little on new black mulch, and it completely transformed the backyard. It looked brand new in photos. And here in the Bay Area, dark mulch tones like redwood or black bark really pop against greenery. Even gravel or decomposed granite can look fresh again with just a rake and a few new bags. It's an instant facelift that buyers notice immediately when they pull up. Number 2, add drought-tolerant color. California buyers love the look of color, but they don't want the high maintenance. We worked with our landscape team and agreed with our client to plant lavender, salvia, and a few potted succulents just before listing, all drought-friendly and all thriving in the heat. It added so much life to the entryway. The photos turned out beautiful, and the buyer mentioned that the yard felt cheerful but easy to care for. A few pots and bright plants can make a huge difference. Number 3, trim, edge, and define. Sometimes it's not about adding anything, it's about cleaning up what you already have. We helped a seller in San Mateo who had mature shrubs and old brick borders, but everything just looked tired. One Saturday afternoon of trimming, edging, and clearing weeds, it made it look like a whole new property. Buyers love seeing clean, defined lines. It gives them the impression that the home has been well cared for inside and out. Number 4, check your irrigation system. This one gets overlooked all the time. Before listing a home in Foster City last September, we did a walkthrough and noticed that the sprinklers were missing the sidewalk instead of the lawn. A quick adjustment saved water and prevented stains on the walkway. Small details like that really stand out during showings. Plus, here in the Bay Area, efficiency really matters. Buyers appreciate knowing they're getting a yard that's both green and water smart. And number 5, stage your outdoor space. Even a tiny patio or balcony can be beautifully staged. We recently worked with a seller in Portola Valley, and together with the stager, we decided that adding a dining set and some lighting with some cozy pillows on the deck would make the difference. The photos came out stunning, and buyers could instantly imagine having their morning coffee out there. It was cost efficient, but made the space feel like an extension of the home. And that emotional connection is what really sells homes. These simple updates don't just boost curb appeal, they help your home feel cared for, and that's what attracts offers. If you're thinking about selling and want to know which updates will give you the best return, reach out. I'd love to walk you through your property and help you prioritize what really makes a difference.